A big area of research that I think will come about for the next 5 years or more is the effect of circadian rhythms and sleep and hormones, particularly ghrelin and leptin, which are what's part of regulating of appetite. We're finding that in relationship to depression and bipolar disorder. Circadian rhythms are innate to the person, so you're born with it. And these are part of how we sleep, the day-night cycle. The fact that cats like to be up at night and roam around, that's their natural innate rhythm. So they sleep in the day, they're up roaming at night. We're the opposite. We're supposed to be sleeping at the night, up in the day. And there's some variations of that. But looking at that and the effect on inflammation, the markers with that, the control of the hormones more, especially for the weight, I think is going to be a big one. And then coming up with breaking down those pathways that are regulated so that we can maybe develop therapies, either drug therapy or other therapies that would affect that.
I think one of the kind of interesting areas of research that interests me and relates very much to neurology is they find that during sleep, you actually clear a lot of the type of proteins that we see in Alzheimer's disease, a particular protein called beta amyloid. And there's a new system that was actually discovered called the glymphatic system that helps us to clear out all these waste products that we develop during the day. And they've done experiments both in mice and in people in which they've kept people up. And they find that there's more deposits of this abnormal protein in people's brains in whom they've sleep deprived. And that when they're allowed to sleep, that this actually diminishes. And so I think that's a kind of a clue, especially in the elderly population, that it's important to get sleep because it can affect your neurologic and cognitive health.